Oh, wow! What a lovely cat! She is so beautiful.
Thank you so much. She is very gentle. She never scratches anyone.
Really? That is rare. Can I touch her?
Yes, of course. Go ahead. She actually loves people.
She is so soft. What is her name?
Her name is Honey. I chose that name because her color is so warm, just like honey.
That is a perfect name. I love it. How old is she?
She's 2 years old, still very playful and full of energy.
She looks amazing. I really want a cat now. You are making me jealous.
You should get one. They are the best company. Oh, are you new to this area?
Yes, we just moved here a few days ago. Everything still feels new.
Welcome to the neighborhood. I'm Olivia. I live on Cedar Street.
Nice to meet you, Olivia. I am Ethan. We are staying on Pine Street.
Oh, that is very close. We're practically neighbors.
Yes, I like this park already. It feels very peaceful.
I come here every evening with Honey. You are always welcome to join us.
I will definitely come. Maybe even later today?
Sure, we'll be here. Honey will be very happy to see you again.
Bye, honey. See you very soon, okay?
Hello, excuse me. I have a jacket here with a stain. I am hoping you can help.
Of course. Let me take a look. What kind of stain is it?
Tea. I accidentally dropped my cup yesterday afternoon. I am so embarrassed.
Oh, tea stains can be a little difficult to remove, but do not worry, we can definitely clean it.
Really? That is such a relief. How will you do it?
We use a special cleaning method for fabric stains like this. It needs a little time to work properly.
I understand. So when will the jacket be ready?
It will be ready on Tuesday morning. Around 11 a.m. should be fine.
Tuesday? That is a few days away. Is there any way to get it earlier?
I'm sorry, but this jacket needs extra care. Tuesday is truly the fastest we can do it.
Okay, I understand. Can I come and pick it up at 1 in the afternoon?
Yes, that is perfectly fine. We are open until 6 in the evening.
Thank you. And how much will it cost?
The cleaning fee for this will be $9.
That is very reasonable. Okay, here is the jacket.
Thank you. And your name, please?
Daniel.
Perfect. We'll see you on Tuesday, Daniel. And next time, be a little careful with that teacup.
I will try my best. Thank you, Sophia.
Hi there. I need a greeting card, please.
Of course. Is the card for a man or a woman?
It is for a man, my father. His birthday is coming up, and I want something special.
How lovely. We have a wonderful selection. Some are simple and classic. Others are more stylish and decorative.
Oh my goodness, there are so many choices here. Which one do you think is best for a father?
For a father, this one here is very popular. Take a look.
Reading, Happy Birthday to a Great Dad. That is really nice. Simple but meaningful.
Or you might like this one. It has a beautiful mountain picture on the cover.
Oh, I love this one. The picture is absolutely beautiful. My father loves nature.
That is a wonderful choice, and it comes with a matching envelope too.
Perfect. That is exactly what I wanted. How much is it?
It is just $5.
I will take it. Oh, do you have gift wrapping as well?
Yes, we do. Would you like me to wrap it for you?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Gift wrapping is $2 extra.
That is fine. My sister is also sending a gift separately, so this card will be perfect alongside it.
That is so kind of both of you. Here you go, all wrapped up nicely.
Thank you so much. He is going to love it. I just know it.
Excuse me, miss. I need help with this machine. I have never used one before.
Of course, no problem at all. What seems to be the issue?
I honestly do not know how to start. This screen is very confusing to me.
No worries. It's simple once you know the steps. First, press the Start button right here on the screen.
Okay, done. Now what do I do?
Now, scan your first item here. Hold it over this small window.
Scan? I'm sorry, what exactly does that mean?
You see the barcode on your item? Those small lines? Show those lines to the light here.
These small lines here, like this?
Yes, exactly like that. Point them at the light.
Oh, it worked. I heard a beep.
Perfect. Now put the item in the bag on your right.
Okay, done. That was not so hard. And the next item?
Same steps every time. Scan the barcode, then place the item in the bag.
Wait, this apple has no barcode on it. What do I do now?
For fruits and vegetables, press the button that says Fruits and find Apple in the list.
I found it. It is asking me how many. I have 3 apples.
Enter 3 and then put all 3 apples on the small scale next to you.
Done. All 3 are on the scale. Is it time to pay now?
Yes, press the Pay button. Will you be paying by card or cash?
By card. Tapping. Done. I think it worked.
It did. You finished your first self-checkout. Well done.
Oh, thank goodness. That was easier than I thought.
Next time you come, you will be very fast. I'm sure of it.
Thank you so much for your patience, young lady.
Hi, I am looking for something for my bedroom. I want to make it feel more cozy.
Welcome. What are you looking for specifically? A lamp, a rug, or maybe some cushions?
Actually, I need a rug for the floor, something soft and comfortable.
Wonderful choice. We have many beautiful styles. What color are you thinking?
Something soft, not too bright. Maybe something that feels calm and relaxing.
We have some lovely options. Would you prefer blue or gray?
Oh, these blue ones look really nice. I like that color.
Great eye. Would you like a bigger size? We have a larger version of that one.
Yes, bigger would be better. I have a lot of floor space.
This one here is 50 by 50 centimeters. It would cover a nice area.
Oh, that feels perfect. And it is so soft, too. It is very easy to clean as well. That is something most customers love about it. That is really important for me. I hate difficult cleaning.
This one you can simply wash and dry at home. Very simple.
Perfect. I will take 2 of them, one for each side of the bed.
That is a great idea. It will look very balanced and stylish.
Oh, do you also sell lamps here? I might need one for my bedside table.
Yes, we have a great lamp section near the entrance. Worth checking out.
I will have a look after this. How much for the 2 rugs?
2 rugs will be $26 in total.
Perfect. Here's my card. Thank you so much.
Hello? I received a message saying I have a package here. Can you help me?
Of course. Do you have a collection code with you?
Yes, I do. The code is 5621.
Perfect. Please go to locker number 8 on that row over there.
Okay, I can see it. But where exactly do I enter the code?
On the small screen on the locker door. Touch the screen first to wake it up.
Okay, the screen is on now. What do I do? Now type in your 4-digit code. Done? But nothing is happening. Did I do something wrong? Do not worry. You need to press the Confirm button after entering the code. Okay, pressing it now. Oh, locker number 8 just opened. I can hear it. That is the one. Go ahead and take your package out. Okay, I'm taking it out. Oh, wow, it is quite heavy. I wonder what is inside. Do you know what you ordered? My brother told me it is a lamp, a nice one for our new home. A lamp, that is always useful. Did you just move into the area? Yes, we just moved in this week. Everything is still new and we are still setting things up. Welcome to the neighborhood. And by the way, this facility is open 24 hours every day. Oh, that is very convenient. Good to know. Thank you so much for your help. Anytime. Enjoy your new home.
Hi, what flavors do you have today?
We have chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, mango, and mint, all freshly made.
Oh, wow. Mango sounds really interesting. Can I try a small taste?
Of course. Here you go.
Wow. That is so fresh. It tastes like real fruit.
That is because it is made with real fruit. No artificial flavors here.
Amazing. Can I also try the mint one?
Sure. Here you go.
Both are great, but mango is definitely better. I will go with mango.
Excellent choice. 1 scoop or 2?
2 scoops for me, please, and 1 scoop of strawberry for my wife.
Of course. Would you like a cup or a cone?
Cone for me and a cup for my wife. She does not like the mess of a cone.
That is very thoughtful of you.
I know my wife very well.
How much? That will be $7 for both.
Perfect. Here you go. Thank you. Hello. Do you have fresh juice here?
Yes, we make it fresh every single day. Nothing from a bottle.
That sounds wonderful. Truly fresh juice is so hard to find.
You will taste the difference immediately, I promise.
I believe you. Which size would you recommend?
Honestly, the large size is much better value for your money. Most people go for large.
All right. How much is the large?
Only $5. Very reasonable.
Perfect. I will take a large, please.
Coming right up. Do you live nearby? I have not seen you here before.
Yes, actually. I just moved to Pine Street, just a few minutes from here.
Oh, that is very close. You are practically our neighbor. Please come back again tomorrow.
I definitely will. This juice is incredible.
What a long day. I am finally sitting down.
I know, but we got so much done. I feel good about today.
Me too. Oh, I went to the park today for the first time.
Really? How was it? Did you meet anyone nice?
Yes, actually. I met a lovely woman and her cat.
A cat? What was the cat like?
So gentle and soft. Her name was Honey because of her warm color.
What a sweet name.
I also went to the card shop. I got a birthday card for your father.
Aw, that is so thoughtful of you. He is going to love it.
I also visited that home store twice today, once for the rugs and once more to get a lamp.
I can already see the rugs. They look beautiful, and the lamp fits perfectly.
And I also dropped off my shoes for repair. They needed new soles.
Good. Those shoes needed fixing for a while now.
Okay, your turn. What did you do today?
Well, first, I took my jacket to the dry cleaner, the one with the tea stain.
The tea stain from last week? Finally!
Yes, finally. It will be ready on Tuesday.
Good. What else?
Oh, I also used the self-checkout machine at the supermarket for the first time.
Really? Was it easy?
A bit confusing at first, but a very kind woman helped me figure it out.
Oh, good. And the package? Did you collect it?
Yes, I picked it up from the locker. It was quite heavy.
Can I see? What is inside?
You will see later. It is a surprise.
Come on, tell me.
Later. Oh, and I also bought a new water bottle, clear glass, very elegant.
Nice. I like that. And the ice cream? Did you get some?
Mango for you and strawberry for me, just as you know I like.
I always remember. You know me.
It really was a great day, wasn't it?
It was. I think our new life here is going to be very good.
Yes, it is just beginning.